Hello guys, it's Jessica from Alicante Real Estate, and it's a pleasure today to show you a Viñamar 6 urbanization in La Mata, 250 meters from the sea, supermarkets, restaurants, airport 30 minutes away, and is one of the most loved urbanizations in La Mata. I'm gonna show you now, if you follow me. Okay guys, now we're inside of the amazing residential where you can see all the beautiful green areas, the huge communal pool, and the nice thing of everything is that this apartment is facing to this side, so you have the sun all day and you watch over the pool when you sit on your terrace. So if you follow me, I'm gonna show you more. So now we are at the general entrance to this apartment. I'm gonna show you also, you have a separate entrance which is just next to the door. It goes from the street where you have next to all the pharmacy, doctors and more restaurants and bars. If you follow me, I'm gonna show you the apartment from inside now. So now we are inside of the amazing apartment where you can find on your right hand side a complete bathroom with bath, 2 bedrooms on the left, an American kitchen, like we're going through the living and dining room. What brings you out directly to the beautiful and sunny balcony, watching over the communal pool just over there. So now it's time to tell you the price of this amazing apartment, which is 154,000 euros. We are talking about 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, on 54 square meter living area and 10 square meter terrace, which is an amazing offer for this area. It's gonna be a pleasure to talk to you and give you more information. Just call us down on this number and I see you soon. Bye-bye, take care.